Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily add recipients on Brevo. So all you have to do is head over to brevo.com and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, click on Contacts. So from here, you have two options. You can import existing contacts if you already have one, and you can also create a contact to create a new recipient just by clicking on the button. And from here, you can start filling out all the details about the contact you're trying to create, starting with the first name, last name, their email address, their phone number, their landline number, EXT ID, contact time zone, and in which list do you want to add this contact into, their job title, and which company are they associated with, or if they also have a LinkedIn account. Then once done, just proceed by clicking on create. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!